I've seen a lot of people get really confused while they're preparing for their data engineering roles or while they're trying to switch for a better role. So in this video, I'll try to cover everything which are crucial and which are common in every interviews. It will be a very helpful video. Stay tuned. Number one, I cannot put more emphasis of you on this. You are in the world of data, right? You have to master SQL. Window function, analytical function, indexing, all this should be very clear. If you are learning anything else and these skills are not clear, go first learn this. This is very important. SQL mastering is extremely vital. You need to understand that. Number two is data modeling. Almost in every fourth interview, you will be asked star and snowflake schema, normalization, denormalization, all these things are very important. You need to have all this concept very crisp and clear in your mind. And also you should be able to design scalable data architecture. Now coming to ETL pipelines. With the use of Airflow DBT or Apache Spark, you should be able to build and optimize data pipeline, right? You should be able to optimize ETL or ELT pipeline. That's very crucial using this tool which I mentioned. Number four is big data handling. Using Spark, Hadoop, Offlink, you should be able to handle big data, right? We live in the age of big data. That's very important. Spark, Hadoop, Offlink, these tools work on distributed system, which make it fairly faster than other primitive tools available out there. So this distributed system this concept is very important in big data processing. Now coming to cloud data engineering. We are no longer working on premise, right? Everything is shifted to cloud. So working with cloud data services such as AWS, when I say AWS, is mostly S3, Glue, Redshift, or Azure, that is Data Factory and Synapse, or GCP, that is BigQuery and Dataflow. Since you guys follow me, you guys are subscribed to me, you need to learn all three of these. Otherwise, for other people, it's enough to just learn one. You will learn all three of it. And now coming to the sixth part, which is programming. This is also very crucial. Python, PySpark, or Scala. At least one of these language should be your second nature. Python is my love, is my darling. So I expect all of you guys to learn it. Writing clean, efficient, and scalable code for data transformation, automation, and pipeline development. It's very crucial. You have to be skilled. Instead of downloading the file and uploading the file, do scripting and do task scheduling. It will happen on its own. And it might help other people as well. It will save a lot of time. You will have a lot more time. Now, data warehousing. This is also great. This is the seventh part, right? Data warehousing. Designing and managing modern data warehouses like Snowflake, Redshift, BigQuery, or Synapse. I have a fair amount of experience on Snowflake. It's pretty fast, and a little bit on Redshift. So it's very important that you are able to design and manage this warehouse. So if you guys can buy a subscription, buy it. Invest in yourself. Instead of investing in that movie ticket or in that jacket, invest in your learning. I'm not saying that don't buy that sexy jacket. Buy that if you have that much of desire for that, longing for that. But yeah, earn a lot of money, then fulfill all your desires. So yeah, managing, you should be comfortable with the architecture, UI, and everything which this platform has to offer. If you are not able to buy a subscription, just go on YouTube and watch other people using it and try to see how they are using it, where they are clicking, what they are clicking, all those things. Okay. Coming to 8 point, that is data governance and quality. This is very important. It's also crucial. Implementing data validation. I do not need to testing using DBT or something, monitoring using Airflow, and ensuring data security and compliance. These are very important. I hope you understand. If someone have a little bit of idea that their data is not secure in your hand, they are not gonna work with you, even if you're very talented. Their data is very sensitive. You need to make them feel confident with this guy, my data is safe. A lot of dogs, that's why I have to pause every now and then. I'll shift from this place very soon. Now coming to the ninth part, which is also very crucial, orchestration and workflow automation. Okay, so you have to use tools like Apache Spark, Prefect, or Dexter to automate and schedule data workflow. Now here's the part. Most of your clients will want you to do automation because they want your resource to be utilized in other places as well. You clients need to understand one thing, that you need to give them some kind of authentication system where they not go and authenticate on their own, right? That's not how automation work when a human has to come and do something every now and then. I hope you understand that. There's a number of ways to maintain your security while doing automation and allowing using to bypass two-factor authentication. I hope you understand that. Okay, let's go to the 10th point, which is version control and CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. This is also very important. You should know how to use Git. That's very basic. Docker is also good to go, and CI/CD pipeline for versioning, deployment, and automation. So you push, it's automatically getting deployed. Continuous integration, continuous deployment. All these 10 things you should cover, and then sit in the interviews. Before that, also sit in the interviews. You'll know that how much under the water you are. I hope this video will be very helpful. Thank you.